Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you eBay how to offer free shipping. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your ebay.com website, and on the top bar of the options, simply select sell options, and then you'll be seeing an option that says list an item. Now click on it, and once you click on it, what you need to do is just simply enter in the details of the item that you are posting, like title, item specifics, and once you are done with that, scroll down to the bottom where you'll see an option that says shipping. Now what you need to do is just simply click on select a shipping service, and once you click on it, a pop-up box saying select a shipping service will be provided to you. Now all you gotta do is select the shipping service that you want to use, and once you are done with that, here you on the right hand side you'll be seeing these three options, that is offer free shipping, buyer's pre-calculated shipping, or buyer's pre-flat shipping. Now simply click on offer free shipping, and buyers get free shipping while you pay the cost. Now all you gotta do is enter in the shipping charges in the total amount, and then click on this. All you gotta do now is just go back, enter in the package weight and package dimensions, and simply scroll down and then click on post it. And that's basically how to offer free shipping on eBay. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.